The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. Offensive of the light forces has resulted in the liberation of Zaitsevo, Donetsk People's Republic, at Artyomovsk direction. The offensive has resulted in the elimination of over 120 personnel from the 58th Mechanized Infantry and 128th Mountain Assault Brigades of the Armed Forces of Ukraine, as well as 3 infantry combat vehicles. Attacks launched by Army Aviation of Russian Aerospace Forces near Novy Kamar, Donetsk People's Republic, have resulted in the elimination of up to 60 servicemen from the 56th Mechanized Infantry Brigade of the Armed Forces of Ukraine, 2 tanks and 5 motor vehicles. 4 enemy battalion tactical groups made numerous attempts to break through the defense of Russian forces towards Duchany, Sukhanovo, Sadok, Ruskinskaya and Andreevka-Kryvyi Rog direction. The enemy has been driven from the defense line of Russian forces. Over 100 Ukrainian personnel, 6 tanks, 8 armored combat vehicles and 9 motor vehicles have been eliminated. Missile and air defense attacks launched by Russian Aerospace Forces at the provisional basis of the 35th Marine Brigade of the Armed Forces of Ukraine near Davidov Brod, Kherson region, the 46th Air Mobile Brigade of the Armed Forces of Ukraine near Murachovka, Nikolaev region, 60th Infantry Brigade near Trifonovka and Novaya Kamenka, Kherson region, have resulted in the elimination of over 280 Ukrainian personnel and 9 units of military equipment. High-precision missile attacks of Russian aerospace forces near Velika Artakova, Nikolaev region, Novogrigorovka and Belaya Krynitsa, Kherson region, have resulted in the destruction of 3 pontoon crossings of the armed forces of Ukraine over Ingulets River. In total, 315 airplanes and 157 helicopters, 2,160 unmanned aerial vehicles, 379 air defense missile systems, 5,412 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 862 combat vehicles equipped with multiple launch rocket systems, 3,452 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 6,316 units of special military vehicles can be destroyed during the special military operation.